Welcome back, guys. So today in this video I'm going to unbox the J22 Bluetooth receiver. So it has a built-in mic, AUX port, multiple pairing, then auto reconnect, and also handset calling as well. So this receiver, I bought it from Amazon. It's a very good quality. So now let me open it up. It's a nice covering package as well. So this comes with the user manual, as you can see over here. So there's a lot of pages in the box. So this is the AUX extender wire, and then the USB cable to charge. This is the small AUX connector, and this is the main Bluetooth receiver. So nice packaging. So this comes with nice quality. There's the power button, then the charging portal. Nice polish. And the AUX. This is the power button, and also you can change the channel as well. So now I'm going to connect this USB and let it charge for some time. Okay, till then, see you guys in next video where I'm going to play music over there. Okay, see ya guys. Thank you.